We're here celebrating 75 years of SMACNA, and we have the anniversary coming up at the end of this week, and it runs for the entire year. What does 75 years of SMACNA mean to you?
Well, that's exciting. I think if I could relate this, I've got a 25-year-old daughter, and when she was young, we always, as a parent, you hope that they get involved with the right group at school. And I was exposed to SMACNA at a pretty young age, and I got exposed to the right group. And it's a group that has my best business interests in mind. I've made great friends, lifelong friends. My peer group comes from this group. So it means to me that we've got a success story of 75 years that's going to keep going for a long time, and people are going to relate to the same things I relate to based on my experience.
Well, great. Thank you so much for being here. It's been, I hope you have a great time at the convention and get a lot out of the sessions. And I really appreciate you taking the time.
Oh, thanks a lot. Have a great week.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you
it.
very much.
Okay.